the participants present over here, and thank you for joining us. Today's resource person is Mr. Bhaktaram Sahu sir. He is a lecturer in English in Kushaleshwar Anchalika Mahavidyalaya, Keonjhar, Odisha. And he'll be teaching us a lovely prose today, and we all are excited to listen to him. Over to you, Bhaktaram sir.
Thank you, Subhranshu. Don't call me a resource person first, because I'm not resourceful enough to be a resource person. I'm still learning from Panchanand sir and Swagatika ma'am and our suggestions.
No, come on. So we are
So I was all
unemployed
of the
people
videos
sitting at
last
home.
night.
Sir, I've been doing nothing, traveling all over the world, sir.
We are gods of self either.
Yes,
And you are
yes.
doing
No, sir,
nothing but traveling all over the world, and we are doing something and sitting home alone. That is the difference.
sir, something. Sir, you are giving knowledge. You are providing knowledge to students. What divine than that?
And what are you doing then? You are imparting
Sir,
knowledge
we are,
so beautifully that even I was mesmerized by it yesterday.
yes. That's your greatness, sir. Let's begin the session. Yeah.
Okay. So, dear participants, before going to the topic, I would like to say some words that each and every one, most of the participants, one of them is a PG student and has completed PG. Second one is a BA student, English honors student, and one is 9th class. So many of us have attended our farewell ceremony in our schools, colleges, university levels. We have attended our farewell ceremonies, and there we get so emotional while bidding farewell to our beloved one. Not actually bidding farewell, I wouldn't say it. We are at that moment bidding farewell to the school, college, or the university that we are studying in. But later, some years later, or maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, when you come back to that school or that college or that university as a teacher, then that feeling of returning back to your home is something unique. Now, we are not going to deal with the second part, we are going to deal with the first part. What is the first part? That goodbye. Here, in this prose, it is so beautifully explained. I wouldn't say anything, but you will know everything. After reading yourself, you will know everything. What is a goodbye, and how does your school bid you goodbye, or you bid your school a goodbye. So it is not a matter of thing. Now, what I'm supposed to say here is that bidding goodbye to your school, or after completion of your school days or college days, is that bidding a real goodbye, or is that goodbye a real goodbye, or the end, or is that the end of everything? Do you consider so? Anybody? Sharanya, do you consider that leaving the school or bidding goodbye to school or saying goodbye to school is the end of our career?
No, sir, it's not, because we are going to explore new things. We are going to go to a new college. So how it can be a end of of our career?
Yes, very nice. Anybody else? Anyone else? Yes, Ishwar?
Yes, sir. Actually, I think so. It is not. Goodbye for forever. I think actually we have been learning since our childhood. Then how can we say that when we leave to our school colleges, then that means goodbye? I think so. It's not goodbye for forever.
You know what? what goodbye actually means. Bye and goodbye, there are two things. Swagatika ma'am would make it very clear to you.
Okay, sir.
What is goodbye and what is bye? Goodbye is something where you do not meet again. There is no chance of meeting again. But bye is something we say in Odia, asuchi. So there is a probability of meeting again. But in goodbye, there is no. Now, what I think is when you. Okay, let's take someone else's point. Kira Sindhu or Kira Sagar. Kira Sindhu, can you put
Yes,
your
sir.
point forward? Yes.
Actually, I have.
What is your viewpoint on that?
I can defend by normally say, but goodbye is I wish to my friends. Hardly he can develop
Actually,
and
what I'm-
defend, sir.
Okay, fine. No, what I'm asking is bidding your school goodbye a real goodbye? तुम मैंने जो स्कूल को बाहर कहीकि पढ़ुच बा स्कूल छाड़ी पढ़ुच सेटा तुम कैरियर एंड हो जाए कि
No, sir.
तुम जो हाँ हम स्कूल रे जते हम स्कूल रे जीवार गोटे ही मकसद थाए और गोटे ही हमर एम थाए सेटा होची जे पाठ पढ़िबा कि ज्ञान आहरण करबा हम ओडिया रे जेमिति कहू से जो ज्ञान आहरण करबा सेठी बंद हुए ना सेठू आरंभ हुए
संभव है सर
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫେୟାରୱେଲ ଆମେ ଦଉ କାହାକୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେଇଠୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଆମର ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୁଏ ଆମ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣିଟା ମୂଳ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣିଟା ଆମେ ଯେମିତି କହୁ ଛୋଟବେଳେ ତମେ ଶୁଣିଥିବ ବାପା ମା କୁହନ୍ତି ସାର୍ମାନେ କୁହନ୍ତି ଦଶମ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ପଢିଯା +2 ସହଜ ଆମେ +2 ରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଯାଆନ୍ତି +2 ରେ ସାର୍ ମାନେ କୁହନ୍ତି ବାପା ମା କୁହନ୍ତି +2 ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ପଢିଯା +3 ସହଜ ପୁଣି +3 ରେ ଆସିଲା ବେଳକୁ ଆମକୁ ଜଣା ପଡେ ଯେ +3 ଟା ଆହୁରି କଷ୍ଟ पुणी +3 भल भाव में पढ़ी जा तापर सहज पुणी तापर गला बेलू पीजी गला बेलू आहरी कष्ट सो लाइफ इज लाइक दैट सो नाउ and the thing that I would like to add is do you leave your school or college for good or for without any purpose or without any purpose? Do you leave your school for anything good or do you do something bad after leaving the school or by leaving the school? तमे माने स्कूल छाड़ी की भलो काम करो ना स्कूल छाड़ी की खराब काम स्कूल छाड़ीबा भलो ना खराब स्कूल छाड़ीबा माने विदाय नबा स्कूल विदाय नबा जमती सार माने विदाय दियंती सांग साथी माने विदाय सेमिति हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एनीवन I would ask Chitrasen or Chitrasen. Yes, Chitrasen.
Sir, it's good for students, sir, because we are able to study higher. When I have left my school, I'm able to learn higher education. So that's good for my career, good for my future, sir. That's not bad.
Yes. But don't we cry on that day?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
we cry on that day? Don't we cry on farewell ceremony?
Yes, sir. I have cried, sir.
Yes, everybody cries. Everybody cries.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why?
I have cried in my primary school level, in my high school level.
It's like sending your child to some boarding school and crying at home. बापा माँ
That time never get it back, sir.
yes आम बापा माँ केमती करती बापा माँ चाहूवे जे पुओटा भल पाठ पढ़ू भल जगह पाठ पढ़ू बापा माँ छाड़ा चाहती नहीं कौन करती पुणी पुओ को छाड़ीदे बोर्डिंग स्कूल हॉस्टेल रे पुणी घरे आसिक कांदुथिबे ए कांदटा तो यही कांद सागर मु ए कांद को तुलना करछि हमर काहेकि ना both of the fire. Yes, yes.
सोमन सर, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, सो इट इज इमोशन और गुड और
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Nice
sir.
observation. Nice observation.
कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, सो वी कैन एक्सप्लेन इट इज गुड फॉर अस फॉर करियर, तो पेरेंट्स डिसाइड टू how can we improve our career so they can decide higher study.
Yes, let's ask our youngest one, Saranya, about this. What does she feel? Saranya, what do you feel?
I feel that sir, living school means passing out from school is good because we will get to learn our higher education. We will get our higher education and we will explore new things and we will learn new things.
Okay. Now, let me ask you one more thing. Do you obey what your teacher says? Do you all obey whatever your teacher says? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Actually, we obey our teachers, but sometimes I think we should not obey every words and every rules, because teachers, they always, they do not teach always right thing, right. So we should carefully, we should, I mean, focus the right thing and wrong things. After that, okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Very nice. Now, anybody else who has the opinion on it?
Yes, sir. I think our teacher minimum commandment, because unable to obey all commandment of teachers. It's really difficult for us because we have not maturity in that level. That is the reason we can't follow that all the rules of our teachers.
Very nice. Abhijit Giri is someone. Basic English Lab is saying something.
Sir,
Yes.
sometimes we have to obey and sometimes we have to avoid our teachers' opinions. Because
Yes.
sometimes they give valuable things which is helpful in our life, and sometimes maybe the things they say good, but at that moment we don't feel that that is what helpful for us, or it might be difficult for us to obey that rule, obey that opinion, whatever they said. In my opinion.
Okay. Okay, fine. Fine. Let's take someone else's. Jyoti Pragya Ratha, someone is there. Jyoti Pragya Ratha. Can you have your word on this? Jyoti Pragya Ratha is there. Anyone? Yes. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yes, Kishore.
We also obey our teacher word, because teacher is like our God, so that sir, we also obey our teacher's word. But sometimes we can't understand what is say about the word. Then we can also decide to do what is the truth for us. Then that is decided to accept in our lives.
Okay, fine. Fine. So you are, all of you are of the opinion that we sometimes obey. We should sometimes obey our teachers, and sometimes there are times when we should not obey our teachers, right? Because they are not 100% right. Is that what all of you meant? Okay, fine. Now, what we are supposed to do today is we are going to learn. Actually, I will not teach you. We are going to learn a prose called School's Goodbye. The name of the prose is School's Goodbye. Now, the things I discussed now, up till now, everything is there in your prose. It is about the emotion that we get. It is about the moral lesson that we get from our teachers, the moral lessons that we get from our elders, whether we obey it or not. But it is their responsibility to guide us through. Now, it is up to us how we see them, or how we understand them, or how we foresee these things in our life. Because in our colleges, everybody, in our classes, most of us, those who are teachers here, they might have seen the situation that students are busy in mobile at the end of the class, or backbenchers, what we call. They are busy in mobile, and we will ask them, I ask one thing to them, that do you really play games on mobile phones? And do you really want your son or your daughter to play games on mobile phone when you are a father? So what is their response actually shocks me. Actually, I'm shaken by their response. Some of their responses. Some of them say yes, I would give the liberty to my daughter or son, and some of them say no, sir. So okay, fine. Okay, it is up to you whether you obey it or not. But now we'll go into the topic. I'm sorry, but it is very sweaty out here because there is no electricity. Okay, Subhranshu, now can we get to the prose?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. I'm sharing the screen.
Yes.
Yeah, so is it visible
Now,
to
what
everyone?
I need is it visible to everybody? Yes, it is visible to me, Subhranshu.
Okay, sir.
It is visible for
Is it? Okay. So what are we going to do is, each one of you will read, someone will read, and the rest participants will discuss the same. You can discuss the meaning, you can discuss the words, you can discuss anything that you want to. Anybody from the participants can give any point from that particular line. Okay? Okay. Let's move. Okay. Actually, it is not visible to me.
Sir, you can do one thing. You can click on the pin option. Okay, on your mobile.
Yes, I have done it.
Yeah. Shall I increase the font size? Just a minute.
No, it's okay because I have logged in from my mobile, so it's not visible quite well.
Okay.
It's okay, Subhranshu. Now it's okay.
Okay.
See, this is not a story, or you can say it's a speech given by some minister to the students on their farewell ceremony or goodbye ceremony, what you can call. Now, the whole thing is, if you go into the prose, then it is just a piece of advice to students or young lads. It is just a piece of advice. But because we are here not to go through the poem only for the meaning, but to enable our students or our participants to speak something, to read something, to listen to something, and to comprehend something. That is the most important thing right now. Reading, speaking, and to comprehend something. Comprehend means, आमे देखो पहले आमे जो प्रोज टा पढ़िबा, प्रोज टा खाली जे तार अर्थ बुझिया पे पढ़ा जाय सेटा नुहे, अर्थटा गोटे पटे रहिबो, ता बादे आम कोन पढ़ी परिबा ना हमरो पढ़िबा क्षमता को बढ़ाई परिबा, एबिलिटी जोटा आमे कहू, पढ़िबा क्षमता बढ़ाई परिबा. द्वितीय कथा होची मु जेतेबेले कहूची बा अन्य पार्टिसिपेंट जेतेबेले कहूची आउ जने सुनिबो केयरफुली, सुनिबा लिसनिंग पार्ट बढ़ी परिबो, भल भाव शुणी पार तुम्हें थर्ड जिनस है कंप्रिहेंशन जोटा आम +2 +10 रे भी आसे प्राय कंप्रिहेंशन कौन है ना आमर बोध शक्ति गोटे गोटे पाठ को पढ़िले बा कौन सी आर्टिकल को पढ़िले बाहर पढ़ रास्ता रे पढ़ तुम न्यूज पेपर पढ़ुच पढ़ तुम गप बही पढ़ुच पढ़ अजणा पैराग्राफ्टे पढ़िले आम केते दूर बुझी पार्टी सेटा आम बेसी मैटर करता है आम से वर्ड देखी ना से वर्ड जानी ना तार अर्थ जानी ना गत काली मु देखुली स्वागतिका मैडम को वीडियो रे बहुत सुंदर भाव बुझाऊ तार सुचिस्मिता मैडम बुझाऊ बड़ सुंदर भाव तुम मान को जे केमती गोटे शब्द को बिना देखा पूर्व तो तुम देखी नथिबो अनसीन वर्ड जोटा आम कहू अनसीन पैसेज जोटा आम कहू मुझे अनसीन वर्ड कहीं से शब्द को आम के देखा ही नहीं से शब्दर अर्थटा आम केमी बुझा केमती गेस करवा बुझा माने आम गेस करिया गोटे शब्दर अर्थ को आम गेस करि परिबो सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लुक इनटू नाउ सो shall we start from someone we'll go to directly to the text
Okay, sir.
because the lead in part I have already discussed. Yes, any one of you can read the first 2 lines from the text.
Sir, shall I?
Yes, definitely.
You are now about to leave school, and before you go, we desire to send you our best wishes for your future welfare.
Okay, fine. You have read it very nicely. Can anyone summarize this or brief this? This is only 1 line, but summary will be also. The summary may be it may be of 2-3 lines. Somebody? Anyone? Okay, come from your side. Yes, sure.
Sir, here in these 2 lines, someone is wishing to the students who are going to leave their school. Someone is wishing them goodbye and wishing them for their future.
Oh, clap. So nice, Saranya. So nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone?
Participants, please unmute. You have to participate. This is.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଲେ ହବ କେତେ
हाँ ओडिया कहले भी चलिबो.
You can तमे ओडिया रे कहि परिबो हिंदी रे कहि परिबो इंग्रजी रे कहि परिबो मैडम को कहला बेले बंगाली मते आसी टिके टिके बुझी परिबी तुम संबलपुर रे कहि परिबो एनी लैंग्वेज मु 6-7 रा लैंग्वेज में जानि छी टोटल क्लास हां के कहथिले someone
Kishore
or saying
please
Kishore
unmute.
yes Kishore
Yeah.
unmute
ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମ ସ୍କୁଲ ଲିଭ୍ ମାନେ ତୁମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଯୋଉ ଛାଡୁଛ ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ମାନେ ତମର ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ପାଇଁ ଭବିଷ୍ୟତର ମଙ୍ଗଳ ପାଇଁ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଜଣାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ତୁମର ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ମଙ୍ଗଳ କାମନା କରନ୍ତି.
Okay, fine. Anyone has any other meaning of the same line? Has anyone got any other meaning of the same line?
Hello.
Now, yes, sure.
Yes, sir. Actually, whenever we leave any school, college, especially our teachers, they actually they wish our bright future. So here, someone is, I think, someone is wishing to someone for his or bright future, and I think so. According to this line, I think someone just
Actually, see, Ishwar.
Yes, sir.
Here, someone is not wishing.
Okay, sir.
Mind that word.
Okay, sir.
Send you our best wishes.
Yes.
Mind
And
that.
just, huh. And just he wants that desire. Then, whenever you will be success in your life, just send to your successness and success information to us. I think so, according to me.
Okay, fine.
Huh.
So, okay, fine. Very nice. Very nicely done. Is there anyone who is who is willing to say something on the same line? Subhranshu, do one favor to me. That
Sure, sir.
I'm unable to see their names, so you can ask someone to read something.
Yes,
okay?
yes, sure.
Yes,
So, anyone who wants to read Kishore or Chitrasen?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah, Chitrasen, please go ahead. Yeah.
Will you say?
Yeah.
Will you say or will you read the next one? Okay. Fine.
Second paragraph.
Hmm.
Although you are parting from school in which you have spent so many years, we hope you will not forget it and think that your education is finished. In whatever trade or profession you desire to follow, you will soon find that. If you are ambitious to succeed in it, you must continue your education.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. So nice. So in the first, okay, we'll come to the next paragraph some ways later. In the first to one line or the first line, it may be because it is a goodbye, school's goodbye. So a group of teachers maybe are wishing to their children or their students their welfare or their well-being or their prosperity on the eve of their farewell. When on the eve of their leaving the school, when they are about to leave the school, they are wishing them their prosperity or welfare. Welfare means well-being or your prosperity. That is good. Now there is a word in the second paragraph, parting from. There is a bold word or a phrase, parting from. What do you think it means?
Leaving from school.
Being departed.
From school,
Sorry.
from means someone leaving someone
Leaving from
leaving
school.
One portion at a time. Otherwise, everything will be
Being departed, sir.
departed. Okay,
Being-
fine.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yes. Okay. Anyone?
leave from school.
Go away from school, sir. We can say
Away
also
from
leaving
school.
from school. Yes.
Okay, fine. So what does this paragraph mean? You have read it, you have heard it, you have listened to it. So what does this paragraph mean?
Although you are parting from school, it means हालांकि आप स्कूल से जा रहे हैं. It means आप स्कूल छोड़ रहे हैं.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, try to give the in one or two lines. Try to give the any one of you can give the summary of the full paragraph in one or two lines. Okay, take your time.
Can I?
Yes, sir. Can I, sir?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, sir. Actually, talk about a teacher or students. So, teacher said to the students, when you just leave your school, you don't be forget your education, and you don't think your education is finished. In whatever job or profession you desire to follow, teacher said to students, whatever profession and education we just desire to follow that, you will soon find that, and you must definitely find that your ambition, your goal, If you are ambitious to succeed in it, you must continue your education. And suppose you are going to, suppose you are being a good person, suppose you are going to be a successful person, you want to be a successful person, then you must be continue your education. Then you will must be definitely one day you will be get a good career, get a good job, or get good career.
Bravo. That was awesome. Very nice. Very nice, Chitrasen. Anyone else has his meaning?
can I?
Anyone? Yes. Saranya?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
Sir, in our country, in our education system, our school life is very long. From our childhood to our teenage, we learn in our school. So we spend many years of our life in our school. And when we are in this paragraph, when we are living our school and we have a dream, we have an aim to do this profession, or we have a dream to do this work. So we should be if we are ambitious, then we will succeed, and we must continue our learning and don't think that our school is over, so that our education is over. We should go further and continue our education.
Okay. So are you clear with that? Those two words, ambitious and succeed?
Thank you, sir. Ambitious means Uchakanki.
Uchabhelasi. Uchakanki. Okay. Succeed. Succeed means
To get success.
okay. To get success. Okay. Okay, fine. So up till now it is clear. I'm not elaborating that paragraph because whatever you have said is right. Whatever you have said is absolutely right. That is why I'm not elaborating that paragraph anymore. If you wish, we can do that later. Next.
Anyone who wants to read can volunteer.
Okay.
Yes.
The next single line, that one line.
Can I read, sir?
Yes. Who is that?
Kishore wants to read.
Success in life is not easily.
Yeah, read.
Success in life is not easily secured. It only comes to those who work hard and continue learning.
Okay, fine. Success in life is not easily secured. It only comes to those who work hard and continue learning. Okay, that's it. What does here mean by secured? What does that word mean, secured?
To achieve something, sir. Achieve, प्राप्त करना.
Yes, very nice. To gain, okay? To achieve, to gain, okay? Okay. Now, anybody who is there to brief that sentence in your own word, in your own language?
Sir, can I say?
Subhrant, I new people.
Something obtained in our hard work.
Subhransu, you were saying something? Subhransu, you were saying something?
No, I was just picking up people. Yes, sir. Anyone can say.
Try to find the new participants who have not participated.
Minu M, you have not said anything. Minu, please unmute yourself. Hello, Minu M.
I would request everybody, or I would say that don't be afraid of making a mistake, because even I am not an expert in it. I'm still learning from everybody who are there in our ESM group. And I belong to a very humble background, a very vernacular school, so don't be afraid of making a mistake. And if you do not make a mistake, you will never learn. So try to speak up. Speak out. Whatever comes to your mouth, speak out. Don't think.
Ratnabati ma'am, would you
Anyone.
like to say? Ratnabati ji? She has not spoken anything.
Yes, yes.
Oh, she has left the meeting.
Left.
Sir, getting.
Yes, yes. Ratnabati Singh joined.
No, she's having network problem, I guess. She's joining and then she's again leaving.
Some more. Jaishankar Bagh is there. Jaishankar Bagh. Can you hear? Minu has come here.
Minu.
Can you hear
Yeah.
me, Minu? Can you hear me, Minu?
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah.
Jaishankar. Yes.
Yeah, sorry, just I joined and just.
Okay. No problem.
It's back.
It's,
I could not find what the question is. Can you repeat again?
Actually, we were on the third line.
Yeah.
We were on the third line of the screen is shared, so you
Yeah.
can look at the third line. That goes like this: success in life is not easily secured. It only comes to those who work hard and continue learning. Someone read that, and now we were trying to brief that or summarize that in their own words. Now, if you please.
Okay, that line, na, success in
Yes.
life is not easy secured. That's one. Secured means something have to
To achieve, to gain.
yeah.
Like,
And some secured mean another word maybe to
what? Let's see.
yeah.
Listen to me first. Whatever you think is right, tell me that one. We are not looking for a absolutely correct meaning. We are not looking for
Oh.
that. We are looking for an assumption about your opinion, about your meaning. Got it?
Yeah. Secure means what I'm thinking, like something I something I just securing like I sorry secure something का मतलब हम किसी चीज को फिक्स कर सकते हैं लाइक कुछ हमको पाना है दैट और कुछ हम सिक्योर just like that I'm giving one example. I'm not the correct word, like I have gift my seats, I secured my seats. I am taking my admission in university and already I just secured my seats. That's mean like जिस चीज को हम achieve किए हैं like that. That's my thing.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you please elaborate the full sentence? Yes, you are absolutely right about secure. Who is speaking?
Can I say?
Can you? Yes, Chitrasen. Yes. Is it Chitrasen or Ishwar? I have done my.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Actually, success in life is not easy to secure, but by hard working, we can achieve success. We can achieve our goal.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes, absolutely. Anyone else?
Sir, I would like to add on.
Yes, Subhranshu, you are always welcome.
So here, if we understand this in a very simple sense, success is something for which we all have to struggle. It is not something which is lying somewhere. So for that, we have to do two things: continue learning and hard work. If we do those two things, we will achieve success. ଆମ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ ସେଇପାଇଁ success କୁ ଗୋଟେ କଷ୍ଟ position ରେ success ଅଛି ଯୋଉଠି ପାଇଁ ପହଞ୍ଚିବା ପାଇଁ we have to work hard and we have to continue learning. Yeah, ଏଇ ଦିଟା ଜିନିଷ
Yes. See, this line seems to be very simple, very philosophical.
Right.
This line is very simple, still very philosophical, but we are not going into that. Or shall I? Or shall I?
No, sir, we are here to listen you.
Okay. Now, actually, see, first line, look at that line. Success in life is not easily secured. This is very simple. Now, you cannot get success quite easily. It is a hard-fought goal or hard-fought thing. You have to fight very hard. You have to struggle very hard to find it. And when we find it, then also it is not that that success will remain with me forever. For that, कहती ना जे नाम बनैबा कष्ट नुहे तुम ना को प्रसिद्ध करैबा कष्ट नुहे बा नाम कमेबा कष्ट नुहे नाम को बजाय रखा सबुठ बड़ कष्ट एमती सक्सेस को सफलता पाइबा कष्ट नुहे सफलता बजाय रखा भी कष्ट किंतु सफलता पाइबा पाई हमको कौन करिया पड़े खुद कठिन परिश्रम करिया पड़े ता सह लर्निंग एबे कठिन परिश्रम सह लर्निंग रो की संपर्क ये जो कठिन परिश्रम हार्डवर्क सह लर्निंग रो की संपर्क तुम पचारि पार कठिन परिश्रम सह हार्डवर्क यही संपर्क ये जे कहूना जे खाली पाठ कथा तुम जे कौन सी जिनस देख ना कहीं गोटे कार्पेंटर तुम जानी पिला कार्पेंटर पार्टिसिपेंट ये जो रास्ता ये जो कबाड़ झरका सब तैयारी करती मो जो गाँव में रहे बहुत कार्पेंटर अच्छा ना why do you look for a particular carpenter though there are hundreds of carpenters and you are looking for that particular carpenter why let's
Because
forget
he's
about
perfect in his work.
the knowledge, forget about our learning, forget about job. Let's look with the carpenter. Why do you look for that particular specific carpenter? Yes, someone is saying something.
Because he is perfect in his work and we think that he can do our work perfectly.
That perfection, how did he got that perfection? That is
By hard work and rigorous practice.
that is
And practice.
yeah.
By
Practice, and that is what learning means here. You have to learn every day. Whenever he makes a mistake, he learns. Suppose he is making some chair or making some furniture and it goes wrong, the next furniture will be right because he will learn from that mistake. So everybody has to learn every day. Is maybe ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ତୁମକୁ ଭଲ ଛୋଟ ଜୋକ୍ଟେ କହୁଛି ପିଲା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବୁ ଭଲରେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ ଥରେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ସଫଳ ବହୁତ ଧନୀ ଲୋକଟେ ବିରାଟ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଅଛି ତାର ତା ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ଜଣେ ପ୍ରେସ୍ ରିପୋର୍ଟର ଗଲା ପରେ ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପଣ ଏତେ ସଫଳତା କେମିତି ପାଇଲେ ଏତେ ଉଚ୍ଚକୁ କେମିତି ପଳେଇଲେ ସେ କହିଲା ରାଇଟ୍ ଡିସିସନ୍ से कहले राइट डिसीजन ये आश्चर्य गला गोटे शब्द कमती कहले एते एते प्रश्न पचारला परे से कहला आज्ञा राइट डिसीजन केमती नियंती से कहला एक्सपीरियंस से कहले एक्सपीरियंस एक्सपीरियंस कहते पुणी थर गोटे शब्द पुणी थर पचारले आज्ञा एक्सपीरियंस कोठू आसे ये कहले रॉन्ग डिसीजन नाउ see the connection from wrong decision you get the experience and from then you can take the right decision. Now this is what life is also. Now from in life if you want to get success you have to work hard, you have to make mistakes, you have to learn from that, you have to get the experience of it, then you can get success. Okay, that's it. Next, can we move to the next paragraph?
Actually, sir, it was really helpful.
Sir, yes, sir, you're saying something?
Yes,
Yes, sir. It was really helpful for us. Actually, we got to know many things from this story which you have told us.
This is a philosophical story.
Bhakti
And
sir,
we are in language.
you're saying something
Yes,
to me?
Subhran,
Sir,
ask someone who has not participated yet to read that paragraph.
sir, I think everyone has participated. So that's why.
We are very few, right?
Yeah. Manoj Suna,
Okay.
sir,
Yeah.
if you can unmute yourself and read.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, hello.
Manoj Sun. Yes, Manoj.
Yeah, can you hear me? Am I audible to everybody?
Yes,
sir.
yes. Very clear. You are very clear.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, everybody.
Very good afternoon. Very
Yeah,
good.
though actually today I was a little bit late. I was late to join the session, but I always do one thing that I share the link and poster with language enthusiast. Because I do believe one thing. I just want to add some points to this session now. That language learning, and sir was telling about experience. Experience is something that we actually, it is a thing where we get the real output after working only. Suppose if somebody says that I have driving experience, unless and until he drives, that is not driving for short time, he has to drive for a long time in different route, in different places, in difficult time also.
Yes.
Then only he can share the real experience of driving. And suppose if I learn driving motor car or two-wheeler for 3 days, and if I say I have experience, that is not the real experience of a person. So I may not know the exact the topic of today's session.
You are absolutely right. You're absolutely right with that context.
Yes, sir. And I would like to say our participants that experience of anything, especially learning something, as we are students and as we are learners particularly, we should experience something every moment from every teacher and every person. And that matters a lot to our career, to our profession, to our life, because that adds value to our life. If I experience something and can store that experience in my life, which I can share later on with others, so that makes a huge difference. So thank you so much, sir, and your participants for attending, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's move to someone who can read that passage.
Okay, Sharanya, why don't you read this?
Yes.
Yes, Saranya hasn't read, right?
Right.
Okay, Saranya,
Yeah.
go on. Go ahead.
Okay. Very soon you will require to choose a trade or profession. Choose with the greatest care and avoid as far as you can any occupation that leads nowhere. And aim rather than at work that has in it the promise of an interesting and happy future. And if at first you are forced to take a job that can only last for a short time, try to get one so soon as possible that is to your liking. If at any time you are in doubt as to the choice you should make, do not hesitate to ask advice from one of your teachers.
Okay, fine. So nice, Saranya, so nice. Very good. Now, Subhranshu.
Sir.
Subhranshu.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I would like you to summarize that.
Okay, sir, sure. So the first line goes like, very soon you will require to choose a trade or profession. So after coming out of school, or college, we have to choose something, choose a trade or profession. Here, especially after coming out of a university, we cannot be unemployed, so we have to choose a trade or profession. So after that, he is advising, the narrator, he is advising us to choose with the greatest care and avoid as far as you can any occupation that leads nowhere. That means he is alerting us to choose with care. If we choose in a wrong way, जदि आमे भूल डिसीजन नहीं जिबा सेटा nowhere माने कोठी के भी fruitful हबनी. So he is explaining us, he is saying us कि we have to choose the trade or profession with greatest care. Again, after that, he says us, aim rather at work that has in it the promise of an interesting and happy future. जो कामरे आमको गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग एंड हैप्पी फ्यूचर मिलिबो we will always try to choose that kind of work. तापर से हमको कहउचंती, and if at first you are forced to take a job that can only last for a short time, try to get one as soon as possible that is to your liking. माने he is indirectly saying us not to be unemployed. तो छोट टाइम पाई शॉर्ट टाइम पाई अल्प समय पाई हेले भी जदि हमको कुहा होची गोटे जॉब नबा पाई we must take that job, we must not miss that opportunity, because at least we will learn something. Every job has a new opportunity to learn and a new opportunity to enhance our skills. Last ko he is saying, if at time you are in doubt as to the choice you should make, do not hesitate to ask advice from one of your teachers. से कहउचंती लास्ट को कि टीचर्स माने आर ऑलवेज देयर एट योर बैक. लाइफ रे कोनोसी पॉइंट रे इफ यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड, इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी with any choice or any decision that you make, you can turn back, you can come to one of us, you can come to one of our teachers and you can clarify the doubt as to, is this choice good for me or is this choice not good for me? Yes sir.
Very good.
Thank you
So
sir.
nice.
Thank you.
Beautifully explained. Beautifully explained. Now, do you find any word which seems to be difficult for you, Saranya and others? Do you find any word? Say, there is a phrase. I would say phrase, doubt as to. There is a friend as to. You might not have heard that word or that phrase in your daily life because we normally use about. For that, this is formal writing as to. Okay? Do you get that? Did you see that word as to? We normally write about nowadays, so it is informal, or previously this was written as to. Okay, fine. So can we move to the next one?
Sure sir,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Subhranshu, can we move to the next?
Sure.
Yes, yes, yes. Who will read it?
Anyone who will volunteer to read, please unmute yourself and start.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, Chitra Sen, please.
Yes, yes, yes. Welcome.
Success in life depends largely on good health. Keep your body fit and buy cleanliness, fresh air, regular habits, and suitable recreation. Make yourself strong to play the game and to do it in every sense of the word. Avoid anything that will sap your health. Smoking in your youth stun the body and cloud the brain. Be temperate in all things and beware of meat. It is deadly enemy of health and efficiency.
Okay, very good. Nicely done. Now, I would like Chitra Sen to go through those sentences and find out those words. You might have attended. Did you attend Suchimita ma'am's class? Yes, Chitra Sen, did you attend Suchimita ma'am's class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have attended, sir.
Okay. Now, find out those words. Find out the words which are very critical words.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Success in life different largely. Can I elaborate, sir? Can I elaborate also, sir?
Okay, we will elaborate later. But first, find out those words.
Okay.
Which you find it difficult.
Suitable recreation.
Recreation. That is recreation means hobbies here. See, recreation actually means to recreate something or to create again. That is what recreation means. Here it is hobbies. Okay, your passion, your doing something at leisurely time. That is what recreation means here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next.
Avoid anything that will save your health. Save,
Sap.
escape.
Okay, do you have any idea what does it mean?
Avoid any-
Do you guess, or are you able to guess the meaning of that word? Yes,
Sap means
anyone?
injury.
Sir, SAP means harm.
Sorry.
HARM, harm that will harm your
Harm.
health.
Harm, injurious.
Yes. Sap means to sap. माने क्या गोटे मारदबा से जो खंडा टाइप रे मारदबा तब कहते sapping. Okay, from that sap has come to harm somebody. कहार क्षति पहुंचेबा ये कहउछन तबा शरीर को क्षति पहुंचेबो. Okay, तापरे
Next point, sir. Smoking in your youth stunt the body.
Stunt.
Smoking in your youth stunt.
stunt. Yes, stunt माने कौन कहला?
Sir, one type of this is mind or brain, sir.
स्टंट माने कौन? आमे जो सिनेमा रे स्टंट देखू
देह को खराब कर दिए
हाथी करा ना शुभ्रांशु आमे सिनेमा रे जो स्टंट कहू ने कि बड़ा सुंदर स्टंट कला रे टाइगर सब
आज्ञा
हां से स्टंट कोन रोग
ना सेटा रोग नो बट एठी जोटा
ना
लिखा
ना
है
we are talking about that. Okay,
अच्छा
so that is
I think so pressurize
no, I'm talking about that. What was it? Yes. What I'm supposed to say is one word has different meanings. You cannot rely on the single meaning of a particular word. You have to look into the context. Which are the words that follow it, or which are the words that are after that particular word. कौ शब्द गुड़ा ता पूर्वर अछंती कौ शब्द ता पर अछंती आ तार कंटेक्स्ट परिस्थिति को तुमको लक्ष्य करिया पड़िबो से शब्दर अर्थ जानिया पे. तो बहुत पिला भाई स्टंट माने तो से जो डेइबा एटू डेइ दबा सेटू डेइ दबा नॉर्मली भाबी देबे हठात पड़ी की.
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir, stunt means I think to pressurize something. प्रेशराइज करना किसी भी चीज को बैड हैबिट्स हो कुछ भी मतलब जबरदस्त अपने आदतों को ये करना गलत जो दैट मींस आई थिंक सो स्टंट मींस प्रेशराइज.
ये सेंटेंस को देखो थोड़ा. स्मोकिंग इन योर यूथ स्टंट्स द बॉडी. Make that sentence. Just look at that sentence. You will definitely get the meaning. Subhranshu said that. Subhranshu has already said that.
Collapse.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It's like, yes.
It seems
Yes,
like collapse. I mean, destroy your body.
Blocks. Did you say blocks?
No, not sir. Destroy your body.
Stunt here means it stops you from growing, stops your body from growing. Stunt अर्थ होची तम कौन सी जिनस बॉडी बार रोकी दबा. ओके तम पाखा पाखी थिलो डिजीज ही कहलो डिजीज ही किंतु सेही डिजीज जोटा कौन सी जिनस को बॉडी बार रोकी दिए.
Yes, sir.
बुझे ना? ओके.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next one, cloud. It is clouds. Ishwar or either.
It clouds the brain.
Yes, clouds the brain. Anyone can give the meaning of which. Guess the meaning, or not say, give the meaning.
May create
Guess the
confusion in mind, and you would be not able to take the right decision at the right time.
Yes, absolutely. You hit the bullseye, man. You hit the bullseye.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely correct. Cloud. See, cloud is something which is floating around the sky. Here, when your brain is clouded, what happens? You are in a confused. Okay. clouded with
Sir,
different things. Yes, Karanya.
sir, can we say that it will hypnotize our mental health?
Not exactly hypnotize, not exactly hypnotize, but you are closer to that. Not exactly hypnotize. Hypnotize is something you remain in a standby mode. You will not be doing anything. You are not in a condition to do anything. That is what hypnotize. It is kind of paralysis. Okay, you are instructed to do something by someone else. That is what we call hypnotize. माने कौन कहला? माने मन कर मु तुमको हिप्नोटाइज करूची तार अर्थ मो इशारा रे तुम काम करी. ओके ओके फाइन. बी टेम्परेट. डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया टेम्परेट? Temperate.
Anyone can say. Please try.
Anyone.
And you.
Guess the meaning.
If you can be, if you are wrong, please. We won't judge you. Keep that in mind. Do not be afraid of being wrong.
Subhranshu.
Sir.
Subhranshu, that is why I said, don't give the meaning. Just guess the meaning.
Yeah, exactly.
We are not asking to give you.
Sir,
Guess the
temperate.
meaning.
I think cautious bata.
कौन कौन?
Cautious.
Okay. Fine.
Temperament here I think सचेतन हेबा.
हाँ हबो कहीं हबनी. Be temperate in all things. Okay. सचेतन हबा हबो. हबो. Okay. Beware of. Beware of. Saranya, कौन हबो कहला? Beware of.
Means we should be careful of not drink. We should be aware that that drink harms your body.
Here, drink means?
Drinking, the habit of drinking alcohol.
Yes, alcohol. Okay. Now, beware is a word, a mixture of two words. Be aware of. Okay. So, beware of. That is, be careful of. Okay. So, now, Chitrasen or what is someone was trying to summarize this paragraph.
Yes, sir.
Who was the Chitrasen? Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes, definitely. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Success in life depends largely on good health. माने सक्सेस टा गुटे उत्तम स्वास्थ्य ऊपर डिपेंड करूची. कीप योर बॉडी फिट एंड बाय क्लीनलीनेस, फ्रेश एयर, रेगुलर हैबिट एंड सुइटेबल रिक्रिएशन. माने कीप योर बॉडी फिट माने तुमको सुस्थ रहबा को हेबो. तुम बॉडी को तुमको माने फिट रखबा को हेबो. एंड माने
सॉरी हां गो अहेड. ए
गुटे माने एठारे माने कह जछि कि गुटे भलो हैबिट्स को क्रिएट करबा को पड़िबो. And make yourself strong to play the game and to do it in every sense of the word. And you have to practice good habits in your daily life. You have to play cricket, you have to play football, seems to be. So, avoid anything that will save your health. And you must be avoid all things that seems injurious and harm for your health. Smoking in your youth on the body, and smoking is the most injurious and harmful for your body, so you must be avoid the smoking. And clouds the brain, and smoking is the one of the things that stop our decision making power. So you must so you should stop the smoking. Be temperate in all things, and you should cautious for your everything, and beware of drink. माने मद्यपान रु टिके माने एठारे केयर रहबा कथा कहै छी. It is the deadly enemy of health and efficiency, and ଆଉ ଏଠାରେ କୁହାଯାଇଛି କି ଏହା ହଉଛି ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଆମ ଜୀବନ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଶତ୍ରୁ ଅଟେ ଆମ କ୍ଷମତା ଆଉ ଆମ ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବେ କଣ କରିଥାଏ ବିଗାଡି ଦେଇଥାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଏଠାରେ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ବୋଲି ଏଠାରେ ନେରେଟ୍ସ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Okay, fine. So nice, so nice. Now here he says in 2 lines that health is wealth. ନା କି ତମ ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ହିଁ ତମ ସମ୍ପଦ ତାକୁ ସୁନ୍ଦର କରି ରଖିବ. You will keep that safe from outsiders, that means from smoking, drinking and other things which will sap your health, which will destroy your health, or which will create obstacles or hindrances in your growth, maybe the growth of your body or growth of your mind. Okay, next one.
Anyone who's volunteering to read? Yeah.
Yes, Saranya, yes.
Please go.
Above all, remember that your character is a priceless possession. Keep it therefore untarnished. Be truthful in all things, considerate to everybody, fair to your rivals, kind and helpful to all who are weak and suffering, and do not be afraid to have courage to stand up for what is good, pure and noble. Avoid gambling in every form. It is a mean game, trying to get something for nothing and at somebody's cost.
Okay, fine. Now, Saranya, I'd like to request you to guess the meaning of those bold words.
Sir, I think your above all means above everything.
Okay.
Means,
Most important.
yes, the most important thing that is your character, and it is priceless.
Okay, fine. Next.
Next, untarnished. Keep it untarnished means keep it good. Keep your character away from getting getting it bad. Try to keep your character a good character rather than making it a bad character.
Saranya, I'm sorry to intervene you. Yeah. Have you ତମେ ଶୁଣିଛ ନା ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଚରିତ୍ରରେ କଳା ଦାଗ ନ ଲାଗିବା ଦରକାର.
Yes, sir, I'm trying to say that.
ନିଷ୍କଳଙ୍କ ରହିବା ଦରକାର.
Yes.
Yes, you can say in Odia also. No problem in that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
Next is considerate. Considerate to everybody. Means you should. I think considerate, sir, means to give importance to everybody and to be kind to everybody and respect to everybody.
Oh, so nice, Saranya. So nice.
Thank you, sir.
I was 5% of yours when I was at your age. ମୁଁ ତମର 5% ଥିଲି ତମେ ଯେତେ ବୟସ ସେତିକି 5% ଥିଲି ତମର.
No, sir, I'm just learning.
That is what I say. When I was of your age, I was just 5% of your. I had only 5% of your knowledge. Or it must be. Okay. Is there anybody who can summarize that paragraph? Anyone who is interested? Anyone? Odia, English, Hindi, anything? Speak up.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Above all, remember that your character is a priceless possession. And you should remember one thing, your character is the most, your character is a priceless possession, so you just keep your character be clean. Keep it that untarnished. ମାନେ ନିଜର ଜୀବନକୁ ମାନେ ବଢିଆ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ରଖିବାକୁ ଅଛି ଆଉ ନିଷ୍କଳଙ୍କ ରଖିବାକୁ ଅଛି. Be truthful in all things. ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତ ବିଷୟରେ ମାନେ ସତ୍ୟ ରହିବାର ଅଛି ମାନେ ନିଜକୁ କଳଙ୍କିତ ହେବାକୁ ମାନେ ଦେବା ନାହିଁ. Considerate to everyone. ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଭଲ ବିଚାର ରହିବା ଜରୁରୀ. Fair to your rivals and kind, helpful to all who are weak and suffering. ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି ଦୁଃଖ କଷ୍ଟ ଦୁର୍ବଳତାର ସହିତ ଗମନାଗମନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ସହାନୁଭୂତି ରହିବା ଜରୁରୀ, ହେଲ୍ପଫୁଲ ନେଚର ରହିବା ଜରୁରୀ। And do not be afraid to have courage to stand up for what is good. ଏବଂ ଭଲ ବିଷୟ ପ୍ରତି ଡରିବାର ନାହିଁ, ଯେଉଁଠାରେ କି ମାନେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଆମକୁ ଫିୟର କରିବାର ନାହିଁ, ପିଓର ଆଣ୍ଡ ନୋବେଲ, ଆଉ ଆମକୁ ପବିତ୍ର ରହିବାର ଅଛି। Avoid gambling in every form. ଆଉ ଯେଉଁ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜିକାଲି ଯେଉଁ ଜୁଆ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସମସ୍ତ ଖେଳ ଠାରୁ ଆମକୁ ସେ ସବୁ ଖେଳକୁ ଆମକୁ ଆଭଏଡ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। It is game trying to get something for nothing and at somebody cost. It is a mean game trying to get something for nothing and at somebody cost. ଆଉ ଏ ସମସ୍ତ ବିଷୟ ସାର୍ ଏଇ ପାରାଗ୍ରାଫ ଟିକେ it's difficult to
Which one?
it
That
it is
one?
a trying to get something for nothing
Sir,
and at somebody
can I do that line?
Yeah. Yes, definitely.
Okay,
Sure, you can.
so the first part of the sentence Chitrasen said, right? Avoid gambling in every form. माने से gambling जो जुआ खेलर सबु form को he has explained. How has he explained? ना it is a mean game. What is a mean game? Gambling is a mean game. बहुत गुड़ा खराब game. Who trying to get something for nothing and at somebody's cost. So if you have seen in movies or read about gambling, ସେଥିରେ କ'ଣ ନା you want to get money. Okay, somebody's money. That money is also not yours. So ଏଠି ସେ କହିବାକୁ ଏହା ଚାହିଁଛନ୍ତି କି something which is not yours, you try to get that and you receive nothing. ତମେ ଯୋଉଟା ତମର ନିଜର ନୁହଁ ସେଟା ଆଣିବାକୁ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କଠୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ, but you get zero profit because that is a very bad game, very mean game. So we should avoid from gambling ସବୁ ପ୍ରକାରରୁ, every form, from every direction. Am I right, sir?
Yes. Basically, he is trying to say in that paragraph that we should avoid or we should abstain ourselves from all the vicious activities that is there in the world. Okay? ଯେତିକି ଯେଉଁ ଖରାପ କାମ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଅଛି ଯେମିତି ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲିଂ କରିବା, ଏଇ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନଟା ମୁଁ କହିଥିବି ଆଉ ଟିକେ, ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲିଂ କରିବା, ଚରିତ୍ରର ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବା, ଏଇସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଆମକୁ ନିଜକୁ ଦୂରେଇକି ରଖିବା ଆବଶ୍ୟକ। ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଲାଇନଟା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ଦେଖ ପିଲା ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲିଂ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ଜୁଆ ଖେଳରେ ଯେକୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ଜୁଆ ଖେଳ, ଆଜିକାଲି ତମେ ଡ୍ରିମ୍ 11, ମାଇ ସାର୍କେଲ 11, କ'ଣ ସବୁ ଗେମ୍ ଆପ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆସୁଛି, ଏସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଜୁଆ ଖେଳ। ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ନା ତୁମେ କିଛି ନ ଦେଇକି ପାଇବାକୁ ଆଶା କର, ମାନେ କିଛି ନ ଦେଇକି ତମେ ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ପାଇବାକୁ ଆଶା କର। ଆଉ ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲିଂଟା ସେମିତି, ଲୋକ କୋଟିପତି ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପଳେଇ ବି ଯାଏ। within no time they can get crores of rupees, but within no time they will be beggars. Second part କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ଗ୍ୟାମ୍ବଲିଂରେ ପଇସା ପାଉ ପିଲେ, ସେ ଜୁଆ ଖେଳରେ ପଇସା ପାଉ, ସେଇଟା କେମିତି ପାଉ ନା ଅନ୍ୟର କଷ୍ଟରେ, ସେଇଟା ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କର ପଇସା, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଦୁଃଖ ପାଇଲେ ତମେ ତାର ପଇସାକୁ ଆଣିପାରିବ। Otherwise you can't get money from gambling. You have to hurt someone's feeling, you have to hurt someone, you have to loot someone, then only you can get something. That is what he is trying to say. So abstain from it. If you are not interested to hurt anyone, if you are not interested to loot anyone, if you are not interested to kill the humanity, you have to abstain from all these things. Okay? Now, can we move to the, this line, single line, make provisions for hard times. Saranya, please explain it. Make provisions for hard times.
Yeah, we should arrange something for hard times. Means if we are going through our good days and suddenly something bad happens, then we should means make arrangements for our bad times. That is, we should save our money for our bad times.
We should be prepared for that situation, right? For that adverse situation. Have you ever read about the ants, or have you ever seen ants? Ants, pimpudi.
Yes, sir.
Pimpudi କ'ଣ କରେ ଦେଖିଛ? ସେ ତାର ଯୋଉ
Yes,
bill
sir.
ଥିବ ସେଥିରେ
They save everything for the future.
Yes, they say they collect their food for winter.
not for winter, don't say it winter, for their hard time, because in winter you cannot see a single ant outside that hole. विंटर सीजन रे शीत ऋतु रे तमे गोटे भी आंट बाहर देखि परिबो नाही से लुचिथिबे आराम रे बसी खाउथिबे काना से बाकी 6 मास आराम रे रखि दै छथि सब संचय करी दैट इज व्हाट हियर दिस लाइन से मेक प्रोविजन फॉर फ्यूचर हार्ड टाइम्स जो एडवर्स सिचुएशन वर्तमान प्रॉस्पेरिटी अछि पूरा प्रॉस्पेरिटी रे गति करूछ वर्तमान पूरा आराम रे अछि दिन चलछि तापरे आराम भविष्य में तमे टिके प्रिपेयर है कि रहिबा आवश्यक नेक्स्ट चित्र सेन
Who wants to read the next paragraph, please? Go from
Yes,
your
sir.
side. Yeah.
Can I read, sir?
yes
Sir, you want to read?
Yes.
Yes. Please carry on.
In your leisure hours, avoid mere
idling
idling. Fill such hours with interesting hobbies, good books, and with companionship and association. Calculate to exercise over you and infuses for good. To a large extent, you will be known by the company you keep.
anyone oh wonderful passage wonderful paragraph anyone
Can I explain,
Subhanshu,
sir?
can you yes Citrasen definitely yes sure
किसी मिस्टेक ला सर प्लीज रेक्टिफाई करिए प्लीज रेक्टिफाई मी इफ एनी मिस्टेक आई मेड
no don't be afraid of mistakes I told you earlier
in your leisure hour means तमर जो तम पाखरे जो गुरुत्वपूर्ण समय अछि जो इंपोर्टेंट तम पाखरे जो टाइम अछि प्राइसलेस टाइम अछि अवॉइड मियर एडु समस्त खराब विषय को त्याग कर अछि feel such our interesting hobbies good books and with companionship and associate calculated to exercise over you and influence for good तुमको किछि हॉबीज को तुमको कोन करबार माने फील सच आवर विथ इंटरेस्टिंग हॉबी जो समय तुम पाखरे ए समय को तुमे किछि गुडे हॉबी खेलिबारे तुमे टाइम को स्पेंड करो किछि भलो बुक्स को तुम रीडिंग करो एंड विथ कंपेनियनशिप आ भलो लोगर सहित तुमे संगति रखो एंड एसोसिएट कैलकुलेटेड टू एक्सरसाइज ओवर यू एंड इन्फ्लुएंस फॉर गुड आउ तुमर जो तुम पाखरे जो टाइम बहुत प्राइसलेस आउ ताकू तुम भलो भाबरे यूज करो जे प्रकार की तुम जीवन रे किछु गोटे अचीव करि पारिबो टू ए लार्ज एक्सटेंट यू विल बी नोन बाय द कंपनी यू कीप टू ए लार्ज एक्सटेंट you will be known by the company. Please, Subhanshu sir, you please continue that one.
That certainly means that मैंने first रो का सबू से describe कले then he says that to a large extent means in a greater mass you will be known by the company, by your company, whatever you keep. Okay. And Chitrasen, I would like to point out also in the first line you said in your leisure hours, which means that in your free time avoid mere idling means kichi no kariba katha nuha. So I think you said something different or whatever it is.
Yes.
Leisure hours mane gote thai work time, gote thai leisure time. Leisure time means in the time where we do not have any sort of work to do. Se kohchandi jetebele amar leisure time miluchi, we shouldn't idle that. We shouldn't sit idle. We should do something such as pursue a hobby that we have, read a good book, or associate a good companion.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Leisure hours means
got it leisure means free time
avoid mere
when you
idling.
are free
Idling means
idle means doing nothing
okay, thank you.
ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି ତମେ ହଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି ଏଇ ଚିତ୍ରସେନ କୁ। ଚିତ୍ରସେନ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କଲେଜରୁ ଘରକୁ ଯାଅ ଘରକୁ ଗଲା ପରେ ଘଣ୍ଟାଟେ କଣ କର?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କ୍ରିକେଟ ଖେଳେ ସାର୍।
ଖେଳ ଖେଳିକି ଆସିଲା ପରେ
କିଛି
ଗୋଡ଼
ଖେଳିକି
ଆରାମ ବସ, କିଛି କର ନାହିଁ, ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ବସ ଟିକେ।
ୟେସ୍ ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
ସେଇଟାକୁ ଲିଜର ଆୱାର କୁହାଯାଏ। ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସମୟଟା ତମେ କିଛି କର ନା ସେଇ ସମୟଟାକୁ ଲିଜର ଆୱାର କୁହାଯାଏ। ଆଉ ଯୋଉ କିଛି କର ନା ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆଇଡିଲ କୁହାଯାଏ। ସିଟିଂ ଆଇଡିଲ, କିଛି ନ କରିକି ବସି ରହିବା ଖାଲିଟାରେ।
ଓକେ ସାର୍। ଆଇଡଲ
ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ଖାଲିଟାରେ ସମୟ ୱେଷ୍ଟ କର। Okay. Yes, Ishwar was saying
Yes,
something.
I think, sir, actually, in our leisure hours, I mean free time, I think we should add some interesting hobbies. I think we should not.
Yes, he is saying that. He is saying that.
Yes, we should not waste our time, and we should add such hobbies like good hobbies, reading books, and good friends, making good friends, like this.
Yes, yes. He is saying that because so Kohanti in Odia we have a doctrine. What do you say that? କଣରେ ସେଟା ବିପତ୍ତିର ବନ୍ଧୁ ହିଁ ପ୍ରକୃତ ବନ୍ଧୁ ନା କଣ କୁହାଯାଏ? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Do you say that? So what he's saying, you are always identified with your friend. ତମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ କୁହାଯିବ ଘରେ ବୟସ୍କ ଏ ବାଳୁଙ୍ଗା ଟୋକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାହିଁ ମିଶୁରେ? ତମକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ କଣ କରାଯିବ? ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ତମକୁ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଉଟ୍ କରାଯାଏ ବା ତମକୁ ବିଚାର କରାଯାଏ, ତମ କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରକୁ ଆଇଦର ଆସୋସିନେଟ୍ କରାଯାଏ ବା ପ୍ରେଜ୍ କରାଯାଏ। ଭଲ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଲେ ଭଲ, ସେ ଖରାପ ସାଙ୍ଗ ହେଲେ ଖରାପ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ୱାଇ ହି ସେଜ୍ ୟୁ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ନୋନ୍ ବାଇ ଦ କମ୍ପାନୀ ୟୁ କିପ୍। ଯୋଉ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କ ସହ ତମେ ରହିବ ସେମିତି ତମର ନାଁ ହବା ବା ତମର କ୍ୟାରେକ୍ଟରଟା ହବ। ଓକେ, ଲୋକମାନେ ସେମିତି ତମକୁ ଜାଣିବେ। Now to the last one. Now I would like Ishwar sir to read this one out. The last passage, last paragraph.
Yes, sir. With a sound mind in a sound body, a good character, courteous manners, and loyalty to the duties of your nation and its high ideals, you will, by God's grace, by a credit to your family, a good citizen, and in your whole life, a real success.
Success. Okay, can you explain it? Can you please explain it?
Sir, I think I can't, sir. Actually, with a sound mind in a sound body, what is the meaning of this phrase or sentence? With a sound
mind and sound, with a sound body in a sound, sound mind in a sound body means healthy mind in a healthy body.
Okay, so in a healthy mind, a healthy body. Good healthy monish or healthy character द्वारा or healthy.
Healthy body or sound body, sound mind କହିଲେ କଣ? ଆମ ଶରୀର ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଥାଏ, ଆମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ସେତେବେଳେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଥାଏ। ଆମ ମାଇଣ୍ଡଟା ଥଟ୍ ଥାଏ।
Yes, sir.
He is saying sound body, sound mind. They are the substitute. They are complementary to each other. ଏଇଟା ଖରାପ ହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶରୀର ଖରାପ ହେବ ସେତେବେଳେ ମନଟା ଖରାପ ହୁଏନି କି ଆମର?
Sure, sir. ଖରାପ ହେଇଯାଏ।
ହଁ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶରୀର ପୁରା ସୁସ୍ଥ ଥିବ ମନଟା ବି ସୁସ୍ଥ ଥାଏ। That is what he is.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah, continue.
And a good character. तो अब गोटे भल कैरेक्टर भल चरित्रु courteous manner भल manner थिबा and loyalty to the duties of your nation and its high ideals. It means, sir, actually I am not able to explain it actually what is the meaning of these sentences.
Okay, fine. It is,
okay, sir.
The last sentence, so it's right.
Okay,
anyone?
Sir, can I?
Yes, sir.
Sir, here with a sound mind in a sound body, with an active and healthy mind in an active and healthy body, माने गोटे भलो माइंड सहित गोटे भलो सुस्थ बॉडी रे a good character, gote mane nishkalankita charitra, with courteous manners. Sir, with good manners to all, means having respect and kindness for others and loyalty to the duties for your nation. ମାନେ ଆମ duties ଆମେ ଯାହା ବି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ କରୁଛୁ ଆମର ଦେଶ ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ତା ପାଇଁ ଲୟାଲ ହବା କଥା ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ତା ପାଇଁ I'm not getting the correct word. Means loyal
Okay.
mane, and it's high ideals and तार माने जहाँ ये अच्छे हमको हम देश पे माने भलते काम करिबा कथा और पूरा माने सत्यवादी ही काम करिबा कथा सेया you will by God's grace माने प्रभुଙ୍କର आशीर्वाद रे be a credit to your family, means be a
You are not audible.
hello.
Yes, you are not audible now.
ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ମଣିଷ ହେଇକିରି ଆମକୁ ମାନେ ଆମର ଯେତିକି ବି କମ୍ପାନିଅନ୍ସ ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଭଲ
Actually, you are not audible, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. So, anyone? Chitra Sen,
Yes, sir.
do you want to
Of
throw
course, sir.
some light on that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
With a sound mind in a sound body. ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ଶରୀରରେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁସ୍ଥ ମନ ମଧ୍ୟ ଥାଏ. A good character, courteous manner and loyalty to the duties of your nation and its high ideals. ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଉତ୍ତମ ଚରିତ୍ର, courteous manner ମାନେ ଭଲ ଶିଷ୍ଟାଚାର and loyalty to the duties of your nation and its high ideals. ଆଉ ଆମ ଦେଶ ପ୍ରତି ଆମକୁ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ରହିଛି ସେଟା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନିଷ୍ଠାର ସହିତ ହେବା ଜରୁରୀ. You will by God grace ଆଉ ତୁମେ ଈଶ୍ୱରଙ୍କର ଅନୁଗ୍ରହରୁ be a credit to your family. ତୁମ ପରିବାରକୁ ତୁମେ କ୍ରେଡିଟ ପହଞ୍ଚାଅ. ତୁମ ପରିବାର ପାଇଁ ତୁମେ ଗୋଟେ
ଗର୍ବ ହୁଅ.
Yes, sir.
ପରିବାର
Yes, sir. A good citizen ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ନାଗରିକ ମଧ୍ୟ ହୁଅ and in your whole life a real success. ଆଉ ତମ ଜୀବନରେ ଆଉ ତମ ଯୋଉ ଜୀବନ ଅଛି ତମ ଜୀବନରେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଗୋଟେ ବାସ୍ତବରେ ଗୋଟେ ସଫଳ ମାନେ ସଫଳପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ହୁଅ.
Okay. Now, see, after reading the whole prose, what do you get? What do you
doubt that you will by God grace means
God's grace. ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ. God's grace means ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦରୁ ହେଲା. By the grace of God we କୁହାଯାଏ by God's grace. Okay? Okay. So, having read all the prose part, what do you think is the real success? Is it getting a great job or good job or with high salary or being a very nice human being?
Being a very nice human being.
being a very nice human being.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So, now, do you or would you obey your teachers or elders after this suggestion?
Of course, sir. Of course.
yes sir.
Now, this is the advice your elders. I told you at the beginning of the class. Now, these are the advices that your elders, your teachers will give you. Now, are they worthy of abiding by or obeying or not? जो एडवाइस गुड़ा देले हमको प्रोज रे ए एडवाइस गुड़ा हमको मानिबा योग्य ना अयोग्य?
योग्य sir.
Acceptable sir. Acceptable for us.
Okay, fine. Now that is what we were not supposed to do the poem, the meaning of the poem, or I was not thinking about discussing the whole poem in my point of view, but I wanted to know from your point of view or what you thought about the poem, what you meant about the poem or what you guessed about the poem. That is what I wanted to know, because It is about your comprehension. Many of you read well, very well read, and many of you explain the things beautifully. And that means your comprehension power has developed. तम मानकर जो कम्प्रिहेंशन पावर बोध ज्ञान आम कहू ओडिया बुझा शक्ति बहुत डेभलप कर साराणी बहुत सुंदर भाव में बुझ बिना एक्सप्लेनेशन रे माने गोटे जड़े टीचर को एक्सप्लेन ही करिया पड़ना तुमको बुझापी सब छोट छोट जिनस अच्छे से छाड़ी बाकी सब जिन आपे आपे हो नाउ if you give some more time to English or speaking English or writing English or listening to different stories on YouTube or some other places, then you will definitely be a good speaker, a good listener, a good writer, and overall, if you are trying to become a teacher, a very nice teacher. So that is it for today. Thank you very much. Thank you for cooperating.